Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll be adding documentation for a new beam to column joint finite element to the main repository on GitHub. Specifically, we'll be adding documentation for the Inno3DPnPJoint element. This element is developed for innovative 3D plug-and-play joint connections, and you can find detailed information in my PhD thesis and various papers. Check out the links in the video description below. So first, we will sync our fork. Okay, the branch is up to date. Then we will clone the repository to our local machine. The repository is already cloned to my computer, so I will just update it with the git pull command. Okay, next we will check the branches. We will create a new branch on which we will perform our modifications. We will change the branches. Okay, and now we are ready to start to perform the modifications. This video will not focus on how to create an RST file, because there is enough information online and also on the OpenSees documentation website, in section 5. So let's get started. My RST file is already prepared, and first I will copy to the correct path, which is source, user, manual, model, elements, and I will paste it here. Additionally, in figures I will copy a folder which contains the figure of the joint. Next, we will edit the file that contains the list of elements, and we will include our newly added element, which is here under source, user, manual, model. Now let's search for the joint section. It's here. Inno3DPnPJoint. Okay, now the only thing left is to build the HTML files. For this, I will launch the command. I will navigate to the build directory, copy the path, change the path, and make HTML. The build is done. Let's check it. You can see it's the one that it's built locally. And now let's navigate to the joint elements. Command, model, element. And here it is. Let's open it. And this is the RST file that I've created. And it looks good. Okay, so now we will push it to the main repository. I will go back to my Git. I will check the status. Since we have untracked files, we need to add them to the staging area. And now we will commit. Let's check the status again. All good, ready to push to the main repository. Let's check the remote upstream. Okay, we need to add the upstream. I will copy the link because it's too long. Copy, shift, insert, .git. Let's check again. Okay, and now let's push. Origin to head 3DP and J. Now let's go to the GitHub website, to my profile, compare. It's able to merge, that's good. And these are the changes we've made. Let me add the description. And now let's create the pull request. Okay, and now we will wait. That's it. If you enjoy my content, consider supporting my work through my Buy Me a Coffee page. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.